Morning guys, today a part 2 for the Christmas Sunday cooking, you see me? Yeah, as you can see in the previous video, the chicken already soaked with the brine, so now a season of time, right? So I season up and now I make the marinate for 2 or 3 hours before I start jerk it, you see me? Yeah, so what I want to do for me guys, I stress it, I want to share the video, help me grow, share the video, share it out, help me grow. Subscribe if you're new, tell somebody about me, by just sharing it out. Leave a like and leave a comment. Yeah. So right now, I'm gonna show you everything I use. I'm burning up like the herbs them, scale and thyme, all that. I'm gonna show you all that now what I'm gonna use. Alright guys, so see chicken here. As you realize, it's in a different pot, a smaller pot. Yeah. So I'm gonna get all the seasons them I'm gonna use now. See I have pepper here. So my link on the back. Alright guys, so these are some of the things I'm gonna use. Alright, I'm sure that onion. I'm not putting my garlic because I don't know if it's garlic water already, and yeah. So basically the water throw off, I'm gonna show the powder season on it. But it's all I'm gonna use for the chicken, right? Yeah. So maybe get an onion. But yeah. Yeah. Thyme, scallion, ginger, 1 pepper though, 1 pepper, pimento, little sugar, little browning. I don't know the good old coconut oil. I don't know original coconut oil. Sleep. See, I'm virtually in the fridge. Yeah. So after a few minutes, you get the softer. Right now it's tough. Yeah. Bad. You see me? So yeah. So get to work, and then my link on the back when time finish. Season up and all that. I'm finished blend this, I'm showing the finished product. So I'm soon come back guys. So guys, I'm gonna use Maggi season and also celery. So I will know good season and the good stuff them. Yeah man, celery. I remember when I use no Maggi season, just use the celery and the natural stuff them. Yeah, that I'm gonna do, you know. That I'm gonna do. Use the celery and be a natural stuff. So guys, so I go in here. So this one stir up on now. Yeah, stir it up on them thing and then give it a few hours to marinate. What time I know? 11 o'clock so now. So by 2 o'clock, I start jerk it. Yeah, about 2 o'clock I start jerk. So the jerk pan 100% completed. Like the grill, so I need to get a grill. So if I get the grill and start out, this is done marinate. So I'm still link in the back. Guys, hold on. So next time I see back, I went time it take up and grill. Enough gungo can pick out. Don't know gungo rice today. You know, enough. Yeah man, Kim not picking this, Kim can't pick up everything.
Of course, not pick up everything. Yeah, Xavier.
Yeah. Enough this man. Alright guys, so the jerk pan I catch now is the coal I catch in the jerk pan. Yeah, a big smoke when the cardboard they put in it, you see me? Yeah. So you don't know anything going guys. The jerk pan 100% complete, but you can't use, you see me? So next time you see it back, it's 100% complete. Yeah, because in the video I upload when I make it, as honestly the inches them, you have more screw. I'm still get them more screw, but I can go and use like this until I have everything. But still you can use. Yeah. So I saw linking back one time I put in the chicken them. Yeah guys, so some little grill here. Yeah man. Yeah. In a float what I grab and do about this kind of something now. And if you get a grill you can follow out the whole entire thing. See? Yeah man, but this can do a thing man. So I'm gonna say, as I say, I buy 2 chickens, so one I go bake, one I go jerk. But everything I've done like this. So lock it down now. In there and warm up. and then make a chicken come so link on the back. Alright guys, so this is one fold, right? Yeah. Leg and thigh. It's a breast and wing. Yeah. The next one I'll come right here, so I might have with the baked chicken. So when you come, I'm showing back what I go on. Yeah guys, so that's how I go on. Alright? Yeah. The chicken in here, so we'll have to go down. And the chicken we are jerk. Yeah. So we see link in the back guys. So guys, it's the first turn, you know? First turn. As you know, when I jerk, I jerk on high heat on slow cook. You want it juicy and nice. Especially everybody knows to jerk. When I jerk, cook it slowly to jerk, take a time. I put some more coal in it. After it's cold, I some more coal in it. Alright, go on. No? This is boil, so I'm boil it first. Put some more coal in it. That smell of jerk chicken nice too, because my flavor. And pull them smelly. Look at coal young youth. Look at camera though. It's a nice Gungo rice. A cook. Yeah man. In a coconut milk. Original native dry coconut. Yeah man. Like I see jerkins there. Yeah. Couple of them will look. Yeah man, see chicken will be now, but I think I know what it now, so soon turn up base and the sauce. You see me? I turn them now. So I need to swim back. I will tell me to run the sauce. And them. Yeah, so I saw them come back. So I send back, macaroni sauce and the chicken and both of them. Yeah, so soon taking back with you guys. Yeah guys, so see rice here. Nice Gungo rice, you see me? Right now I just the chicken me wait pan. Alright guys, so this is it. Yeah. Me just based the chicken a while ago. Yeah man. The couple of time look. Right now I'm mad enough to can do this. You see me? So punch it forward. See? They want base now. Switch it forward, me link on the back. You see me? But this is my production right here. So my taste this. Stick it up with the chicken here. You see me? See what I'm going to feed.
It can be not a bad truck for me.
They look like one lady. Yeah guys, so everything based upon now. Let's see the chicken there. Yeah, everything based upon nice and now. I don't know how to keep this night. You keep warm. But see what I go on there. It's cool. I did, bro. So I will try push it up. Yeah, so it blaze up. Yeah. So hopefully that I'm gonna pull it and finish it off. Basically it's a soak now. As the breast and all that can do the breast big. So you take a wipe of soak and even the leg and thigh smaller. You see me? Yeah, the breast them really a soak. So I'm so link on the back guys. Yeah guys, I want to clear up something, right? To the overseas viewers who watch the videos and have a problem with me running the dogs, right? as you know, as I do videos outside, outdoor cooking, right? And more I do video and dogs come around. Me run the dogs and everything there. It's not like say me eat the dogs. Me don't eat the dog them. Right? Me grew up in a culture where if a dog come around when I cook, you run him. Anybody in Jamaica cooking and a dog come around, the first thing I do, I run that dog. So it's not like say I don't like dogs and I don't like animals. I love animals. But me don't feel it right. A dog come around when I am cooking. No. If I leave the pot unattended and a dog come, the first thing that I do, eat the food I put in mouth now what I do. And that's a no-no for me. Me sure know say if you go a restaurant or somebody's house and see a dog in the kitchen and a dog at certain things, you never want the food again to eat. Yeah. And if me come in here and see a dog in the kitchen and a dog up your counter or certain things, me no want any food to eat. So all who out there who watch the videos them and have a problem with me when the dogs them, I don't know what I go. But we grew up on two different culture. And me not see it right to have animals in the kitchen. So hope this clip everything. I love animals, I love dogs, but it's not right to have dogs in the kitchen and dog around when you're cooking. It does like, for example now, on this. Me allowing the dogs them around me, right? I am cooking. And not that scratch. Anything can come up and go on my food and a bacteria that's not good. You see me? Me now go a cook and allow a dog to come around. We can come and go back fine, but if I come too close to what I'm doing, I'm gonna run that dog. I'm sure no say if me have video and the dog them come around and me I cut up the meat, I cut up something and the dog them come right to me and smell of the food. The first thing I say, boy, the boy nasty man. Yeah. So I'ma say we don't eat the dogs. I love animals, but I just a Jamaican thing, a Jamaican culture. We don't allow a dog or any animal to come around when we are cooking. If you come, and don't come too close, fine, but as long as I come too close to the cooking part or the pot, we can run that dog. After that cat, we sure know that if you come to my house or you come around and see me cook and dogs and the cat I come and smell up, automatically I know I know food. If me come here and see that, I know I know food again. You see me? So I like them eat the dogs them. I don't know what dog I am, man, because me don't allow a dog to come around me when I cook. None at all. None at all. That's not good for human health, man. Here in Jamaica, not care how a person love them cat. From the cat go up on the counter, one lick run the cat, that's wrong. That can sick you. That can sick you. You can't allow animals and food to mix. No. So as long as I'm doing a video and a dog come around, I'm gonna run that dog. I don't want him near me. And near the pot. No, cause you cannot cook and leave the pot unattended or whatever you're doing unattended. The dogs are putting out night or teeth out one or whatever. You see me? Not every dog will do it because some dogs don't teeth, but me not allow a dog to come around me when I'm cooking. No. I don't believe that none at all. Most Jamaicans need to want to sleep with. And guys, you see when I do a video and a dog come around me and run him, I could easily edit out it, right? We can easily cut it apart there, but we don't really much editing on my videos. I try to make my videos as authentic as possible. I try to show everything. So I'm not be like some YouTuber edit out everything. No. I want to feel like say they around me when I'm cooking. Yeah, like we are one big happy family. So most things happen, we don't edit out. I not cut out apart there. Even video when time I walk on my job, I'm gonna easily cut out the video, cut it apart there. No, make it stay. Because more feel like say yo, with the same place and how we are cooked together. Yeah. Open up time. Yeah guys, so this is it. This is it guys. But they carrying the chicken with a bake already, so now I'm showing that shortly. You see me? Because as Melissa said, I'm showing say the coal I finish and more coal, so we put that in the oven and thing because that the fire lamp and finish. So that finish now, this finisher now. Yeah. So consume time and see what I'm going to be tasting. So I'm going to come below until I'm look. Because the color look nice to me. Yeah man, this is it. Jerk chicken and gungo rice you do. Mashed potato. Yo, light. I think I'm not bad people. So I go on and eat your chicken. You want pepper? Good see what one with pepper night. No Kim. I'm not telling you that. Is it Kimbo? Is it? One tea and tell me what people in the camera you can see what I go on. Guys, thanks. Watch the video if you reach this far. Thanks for the support, you know. Even though the views are up want, but I still appreciate the support me and get, you see me. We have put in the work, see me one day, all this hard work will pay off. So leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below. For the IG, link to page them in the description, just scroll along, give a follow. Find them, see me? And share the video. But then 92 sub now, so continue to share it. Share it man, share it. Get me grow. So catch you in the next video.